Hi, my name's Victor, and I'll be showing you this week's art project. And this is the finished product here, which is basically a leprechaun. Okay, and what you should have received in your packet should have been a yellow, two orange construction paper, a black one, and a green one, and marker. We didn't offer you a glue stick, but you can get this at 99-cent store. Okay, and a scissor. Okay. So what I did was basically first I traced out a hat, okay, and the hat is it has to be bigger than the plate. So this is your plate. Make sure your hat is slightly bigger to make sure to cover the top of the plate, okay. So that's what I did. It's supposed to be about 2 inches. 2 inches each side should be able to cover the top of the plate here. So that's what I did here. So what I did is after I cut it off, I basically traced it into the green paper with your marker. So let's trace it. Okay, once you do that, you should have your hat. Okay, so we're basically gonna cut this hat. You're gonna cut this hat. Okay, so you cut it. Okay, once you cut your hat, okay, make sure it fits. Okay, and you want to put it maybe let's see, maybe about 3 inches down. 3 inches down, so more or less where you could not see the plate behind. Once you're done with that, you're gonna want to cut basically a ribbon that's gonna be black, and that ribbon is going to be 2 inches by roughly 7 inches. So 2 by 7. Okay. So you do that. Once you have that, you're gonna cut it, put it next to the edge of your paper. Okay. Cut that off. And then you have that, which is basically gonna be your ribbon here. Okay. It doesn't have to be perfect, as long as you're able to go over the front, which you might want to make it two over 7.5. 2 over 7.5. And once you could always play around and cut the edge off. It should be little shorter end, but 2 by 7.5. Then from there you're gonna do a two inch by 2.5 square. Okay, so you're gonna do that on the yellow sheet. Okay, so the hat's gonna be green, the ribbon's gonna be black, and the belt buckle is gonna be yellow. So remember, it's gonna be 2 inches by 2.5. The ribbon's gonna be 2 inches by 7.5, and then size accordingly. And then your hat's gonna just be your cutoff hat. Okay, so let's do the belt now. And remember, if you use your tracing paper here, or just regular white paper. Put it near the edge. Remember, 2 inches by 2.5, and then you cut your square here. Okay. Once you have that, make sure it fits. Okay. Should fit. Okay. Once you do that, you want to fold the square horizontally, and just want to cut in, and cut across, then cut in, cut out. Okay, then you should have your buckle. Okay, once you have that, you should have this. Okay, so then you're basically gonna, once you have your hat, use your glue stick. Okay, glue stick. Okay, glue stick. Okay, well, use your glue stick. Remember, you're gonna go in about 3 inches, 3 inches from the top. 3 inches, which is about here. And glue it on. Okay. Then you're gonna glue on your strand. Your ribbons. Sorry. And your buckle. So you're gonna have something at the end along the lines of this. Now your face, it's gonna be fairly simple, which is gonna be this. So let's see. We're gonna draw them here. Draw it out here. Okay, so it's gonna be two eyebrows. Okay, about that angle. Then you're gonna go do a line, basically a line. Okay, then from there, just curl the line in. Same here, line and curl. Okay. As far as the nose, just oval. Okay. Then you have your smile. It's basically gonna be a banana, and your tongue. That's basically it. Now, as far as going down to the beard, you want to use the side of your paper so you get the straight side, so you could create that line around here. That line, that nice line with the ragged edges, which would be the beard. And then from there, you could pick up the construction paper and continue cutting along your line here with the jagged end, placing them right underneath. And that's all you do. End product should be this. Okay? Hope you enjoyed this week's project, and have a good evening.